We talk to grandmothers, grandfather, auntie, uncle, nieces, nephew, baby, and also you. Welcome to Positive Vibes and Reality. Today, we are going to look at missing people. And when we say missing people, really I talk about females and wholesale. You know all the little girls that we see are missing. And then we are going to focus on today. Alright. Females. I talk to you now. You see sometimes I want to use your head and understand life. You understand me? Because you see sometimes when you help cause certain things on yourself too, you know, I really and truly want to understand what I want. You see sometimes when you meet some people on internet and all of them something there, and the people them make you feel comfortable and all of them things there, and you know next you want link up and the whole of them something there. You know that you can leave your house and never return because hear what? You don't know the person who. You get me? You think you know the person who, you know. You save him number or her number and know for everything. Anything you want to save it as. But you still don't know them who. You get me? I said to you. Also, one of the things too, sometimes you don't trust people too much. Like, you might hear say, are your mother brother? Or are your mother sister? Are your mother uncle? That no means you have to trust him. That no means you have to trust him. You get to me, I said to you, are your family, yes, and all of them something there, but people if you know them a limit. You get me? Even sometimes some of one brother and sister, you know, you know a hunt for your sibling or you know if it be your sibling, uncle, auntie. Sometimes at this something go wrong. You know who. You get me on the hear so you know have an uncle out there. You know want to meet that uncle there, you know hear pure good things about that uncle there. And that's the worst thing you could ever do. Me just talk to you if you understand. Nothing is wrong to meet that uncle, you know, but you know if you know how and all of them things there. You understand me? Yeah man, because me share something that happened one day. My sister come from school one day and like, you know, she tell me who bring her. And she said, my friend. And I said, which friend that? And it's like she had described the person and all of them. Me can't pick up the person, you know. Me sit her down. And I said, listen what me I said to you. No make nobody come tell you, say, I'm my friend or your brother friend or your other brother friend or your father friend because our friend is not your friend. And it could be a case where she see me and a youth where, you know, sometimes some people, you know, to want to talk to them, but a man know a man and a man that come to you and say, what go on and lick office? Maybe that she see and she assumes, say, I'm my friend. I don't know who because I'm not trying to find out, but I just tell her, say, what if you did miss her or something? Nobody come tell you man about him and friend and all of them something man. Nothing like that. You get to me I say to you, nothing like that. So me just try to tell you sometimes some little ways where you go wrong. You have a little thing called shortcut. Laziness and all of them something you know. You no practice to take too much shortcut. You get to me I say to you. Because people can easily lay away to them. They know say yeah what. You know say at that time I pooch you come from school you. At that time you know. So them lay away to me, you get to me I say to you, you have a thing called dark night and all of them something that too. Your parents beg you if you do something and they are work all day, they home on phone and all of them something there. When you hear some mother or father soon come, at that time you run gone do it. Or you did it from evening if you go buy something. And you wait till night, you run gone out there. Me just a warn on. You know, cut out them breed or something. You get to me I say to you because you know everything always remember say safety come first. You have preach safety. And we don't really like what go on. Every day watching news as me read Star, Observer, Gleaner, appear missing people me I see. Sometimes you know even their yard and not go on for you. You know they on social media and you know look how see work pop up and all of them something there and sometimes you know so you know do it and tell all a friend and you go so you get job and you never return home. So me just tell you say man, listen me man, you have to know what you do. You get to me I say, I'm really focus on the females because I can't afford for every minute me I read. Me I say peer missing females and the age them are like 13, 14, 15, 16. So I tell the parents them to if you talk to one pick them and show them love. Because enough time, they can't come to one with certain things, but if you know, sir, you know the teenager too. And a lot of things you want to do. A lot of things. So now them a teenager who know to stand up in their life and talk to them and make them understand. Who nobody run them well and all of them because funny enough, certain negative things we want to think them not hear, They might not hear it a year yard, but hear what? You see, as soon as them step out, they might hear it. You understand me? I also want to share something with you. You know, the other day is like, me I tell a lady what my channel is all about, and she tell me so she going to make her 3 kids them subscribe to my channel, although she said she don't need it, but I think she need it, because you're never too old to learn. You get to me, I say to you, and people may look and say, oh, you're young, but me just look like it's a reality and what go on around me. Never too old for learn, and she make her 3 kids them subscribe to my channel, because she has said better she know what my channel is all about and know so she there on my channel because she say them live on YouTube and she not think them a watch nothing for all of them head. She has said appear like nonsense them watch. But me don't really know about that, but she said she make sure say them subscribe to my channel because you know something to teach them. So I just tell you, say, if you don't know anybody out there who think of a low self-esteem, or some people out there who think them down or them get abused and they want to give up on life and all of them, you can send them over to Positive Vibes and Reality. Positive Vibes and Reality, I think everybody, like I say, nobody not left out, Positive Vibes and Reality. Because also, a lot of people let me know say, oh, where you do? Why you not name a channel that? You better you didn't name it negative this or something, because we all know negative things spread way more faster than positive. But me just not into in and nothing with negative. Me choose positive at all time. You understand me? So me name my channel Positive Vibes and Reality, So I just want to know, say, yeah man, so for now, I just want to take my advice, you understand me, and make people subscribe to Positive Vibes and Reality, and I hope all of the young people, especially young people, will see my message, you understand me, and really take in with me and say, you understand me, because sometimes to them now, nobody talk to them, you understand me, and parents, me I tell you, no job enough just provide people with lunch money. You get to me, I sit here and make sure them eat them dinner and all of them something. You know have to talk to them, man. Be dear, man, for them. You get to me, I sit here. So until now, like me say, I just want to subscribe to Positive Vibes and Reality yet. Now at the time I want to subscribe and turn on a post notification bell, put it on all, you understand me, because I don't want to drop no video, I will not get none. I want to get all of my video them when I drop them. You get to me, I said to you, so subscribe, like, comment and share. Now I can tell more to think about my video, you understand me? And also I have a lot more interesting video coming, you understand me, what I don't want to miss, because fathers, auntie, uncles, everybody, Positive Vibes Reality, I go have some funny night too, you understand me, because you don't know it goes. So until now, we just big up on yourself.